Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
The Honorable, the examiner, Ms. Syafitri Ramadhani, and the Honorable, the examiner, Ms. Dinovia Vanilker, and then the Honorable, the advisor, Ms. Ririn Ophelia. In this change, I would like to present my thesis with the title and analysis of student perception toward reading comprehension skill before and after joining English club. The first one is the background of the problem. Reading English is one of the important skills that everyone should have. Reading is the process of understanding the meaning contained in a written material. According to Fitria 2019, reading is an activity that helps readers gain more knowledge without more money. According to Sulaiman 2019, people who read poorly are very likely to fail in their study or at least have difficulty making progress. This is because reading English has many benefits, including getting information, knowledge, entertainment, and even solution to solving problems can be done through reading activities. Another significance of reading English is as provider of input for language learner. As it stated by Crescent 2003, the language learning will not happen unless they are exposed to abundance of input. There are several challenges that occur when reading English. According to Thornbury 2007, which cited in Rahayuningsi 2022, there are several challenges in reading English that can affect reading success. They are knowledge of vocabulary, punctuation, grammar, and linguistics, which are other part of language. When we read, we do not only read what we see, but also gain an understanding of the meaning contained. Therefore, reading comprehension skill in English is important for English learner. One way to improve reading comprehension skill in English is by joining an English group. In improving reading comprehension skill, it is not enough only to learning English at school, but additional classes such as English club are also important for students to join. English club is an extracurricular activity at school. Extracurricular is an activity carried out outside school to develop student potential. English club as an
Excuse me, Vini, ini slide-nya nggak berubah loh. Iya
masih
nggak, Miss Meni? Tampilan cover aja.
di sini udah berubah, Miss.
Oh itu Vini apa ya apa namanya full screen ya di laptopnya Vini ya?
Iya, Miss.
Ah nggak mau itu. Udah aja yang bagian tengahnya ini sedikit.
Ini udah terlihat, Miss.
Udah.
English club is an extracurricular activity that focuses on learning English, which is expected to improve the achievement in English. English club has been proven to improve student communication skill, English proficiency, and student motivation to speak. There have been several previous studies conducted regarding the influence of English club on English skills, such as Melkiza et al. 2017. It was found that students taught English club play a role in encouraging students to practice their speaking skill. It was also found that English club motivates students to practice speaking. Now we come to the next one is focus of the research. The research focus is to find out student perception toward reading comprehension skill before and after joining English group. And then the formulation of the problem in this study is how are student perception toward reading comprehension skill before and after joining English group. And then the research question consists of two. The first one is what is student perception toward reading comprehension skill before joining English group, and then what is student perception toward reading comprehension skill after joining English group. And then there are two purposes of the research. The first one is to find out student perception toward reading comprehension skill before joining English group. And then the next one is to find out the student perception toward reading comprehension skill after joining the English group. Now we come to the chapter 2, review of related theories. Definition of perception. According to Destrianti et al. 2021, perception can be interpreted as a process of selective interpretation and classification. Perception are people's individual thought and feeling. So one person might have different perception than another person, although studying is the same. And then Lamatokan 2018 also claims that perception refer to how a person feels about something, both consciously and unconsciously, auditorily or visually, and ideas triggered by brain process. And then there are two types of perception according to Irwanto 2002, which cite in Abza 2021. There are positive perception and negative perception. Positive perception is a form of all knowledge and information that is understood positively. Positive perception are perception that describe knowledge and also respond to utilization effort. A person will accept and support an object if the person has a positive perception. And then negative perception is a perception that shows something that is not in accordance with the object perceived or provide negative information. Negative perception is a perception that display a negative response to an object. People who have negative perception will deny and reject all efforts that are received. And then definition of reading. Reading is an essential skill in learning English. There have been many explanations of reading suggested by experts. According to Alderson 1984, which cited in Gohan 2012, reading is important as an important skill in learning any language for language learner. And then Sarjania et al. 2022 states that reading is a skill that all English learners should have, which can help in the process of learning English. Moreover, according to Gilakjani and Salburi 2016, reading is a process in which the reader uses effective reading strategy to construct meaningful representation of the text. And then the next one is reading comprehension skill. According to Bulut 2017, reading comprehension skill is a quite complicated process that involves the knowledge of vocabulary, reading comprehension strategies, and reader interaction with the reading text. Reading comprehension is an activity of building meaning and thinking before reading, while reading and after reading by combining the information conveyed by the writer with the background knowledge possessed by the reader. And then definition of English group. According to Pitriani et al. 2021 state that English group is a strategy in improving student extra English proficiency. Students are able to sharpen their English language skill through English group activities. And then according to Okta Berlina and Muslimin, English group is an approach that gives students a lot of value in developing student skill in learning English. And then the benefits of English club. Through English club, students can develop their awareness of English communication and basic vocabulary through English club. And then according to Melfiza et al. 2017, students who join the English club can increase their English skill, knowledge of English, and the English club can increase their English score. And then we come to the chapter 3, research methodology. The method used in this study is qualitative research. It was based on the purpose of the study to find out the student perception toward reading comprehension skill before and after joining English group. And then the data and sort of data. The data from this study were collected through interview, while the source of data in this study were the students who joined the English group for 1 year at SMA Pertiwi 1 Padang. And then the population. In selecting the sample, this researcher used purposive sampling. The criteria were students who have joining the English club for 1 year at SMA Pertiwi 1 Padang. So after the selection process, 10 students were selected who fulfill the criteria. And then the instrument. In conducting this research, researcher used the related instrument. The instrument was interview. And then the technique of data collection. The first one, the researcher conducted interview with the student. And then the interview were answered by the student. And then the researcher analyzed the data. And then the researcher categorized the result based on the question. And the last, the researcher collect the data and draw the conclusion. And then technique of data analysis. According to the Miles and Huberman's 1994 model, the data analysis process consists of data reduction, data display, and conclusion or drawing verification. Now we come to the chapter 4, finding and discussion. The first finding is about student perception of complexity of the reading text. The student had positive perception about their reading comprehension skill improving after joining the English club. In student reading comprehension skill before joining the English club, the student said that their reading comprehension skill before joining the English club were still lacking because they still did not know much about English vocabulary, the correct pronunciation, and were still unsure what they read. And then in the student reading comprehension skill after joining the English group, the students said that their reading comprehension skill after joining the English group had improved and were much better than before. This is because in the English group, they knew more vocabulary, knew how to pronounce correctly, become more confident in reading, and began to understand reading. And the second finding is about the student perception of environmental influence. The student had positive perception about the reading practice after joining the English group provide a comfortable atmosphere. In student reading practice before joining the English group, the students said that practice of reading before joining the English group was not comfortable because there were still several words that they did not know the meaning and significance of. And then in the student reading practice after joining English group, the students said that practicing reading after joining the English group was very comfortable because after joining the English group, they had more vocabulary, so they were very comfortable in practicing reading. And the next finding is about student perception of anxiety during reading comprehension. All of the students had positive perception about their feeling when practicing reading, become more confident after joining the English group. In the student feeling during reading practice after joining the English group, the students said that their feeling when practicing reading before joining the English group were that they were felt nervous and lacked confidence because there was vocabulary that they did not know how to pronounce correctly. So they felt nervous, doubtful, confused, and not confident when practicing reading. And in the student feeling during reading practice after joining the English group, the students said that their feelings after joining the English group are that they feel more confident, happier, and have more freedom in reading practice because in the English group, they learn a lot. They are taught how to pronounce words correctly, understand the meaning of words, and use words appropriately. And the next finding is about student perception of interest and motivation. All of the students had positive perception about their interest and motivation in reading after joining the English group are increases. Student in the student interest and motivation in reading before joining the English group, students had different answers to this question. 3 of 10 students said that they were already interested in reading before joining the English group. Meanwhile, 7 others said that they were less interested in reading before joining the English group. They were less interested because they still do not understand and are also afraid of making mistakes when reading. And then in the student interest and motivation in reading after joining the English group, the students said that After joining the English club, their interest and motivation in reading become more interested because they become more like learning English more. And then the next finding is about student perception of decoding or word recognition speed. All of the students had positive perception about their vocabulary skill increase after joining the English club. In the student vocabulary before joining the English club, they said that before joining the English club, their vocabulary was still lacking because there were still many words that they did not know the meaning of. And then in the student vocabulary, after joining the English club, the students said that their vocabulary skill become better than before and they knew more vocabulary. And the last finding is about student perception of reading difficulties. All of the students had positive perception about student difficulties in reading decreased slightly after joining the English club. The student difficulties in reading before joining the English club, the students said that the most frequently experienced difficulty in reading was pronunciation. There were several words that were difficult for them to pronounce when reading. And then in the student difficulties and reading after joining the English club, from this question, 2 of 10 students said that their difficulties in reading no longer excited. Meanwhile, 8 other answered that their difficulties in reading, such as pronoun, vocabulary, and grammar, had been slightly resolved after joining the English club. Now we move to the next one is about discussion. Based on the research finding above, it was found that there are several changes in the student reading comprehension skill between before and after joining the English club. Before joining the English club, student reading comprehension skill were still low. However, after joining the English club, student reading comprehension skill improved. Students give positive perception of 6 aspects such as complexity of the reading text, environmental influences, anxiety during reading comprehension, interest and motivation, decoding or word recognition speed, and the last reading difficulties. The first discussion, the findings show that students had positive perception about the improvement of the reading comprehension skill after joining the English club. It is related with the statement from Muslima 2013. It was found that the reading comprehension skill of students who joined the English club were good, while the reading comprehension skill of students who do not join were adequate. She adds that in the English club, students know a lot of vocabulary, how to pronounce words correctly, and become more confident in reading. And the second discussion is the findings show that all of students had positive perception about the reading practice after joining the English club provide a comfortable atmosphere. In line with statement from Zulhelmindra, who state that English club provides students with the opportunity to learn English in a friendly and relaxed atmosphere. And then, in addition, all of students also had positive perception about their feeling when practicing reading, become more confident after joining the English club. It is in line with the statement of Hijrah and Umar 2021. In their study, they found that after joining the English club, students gained a lot of new vocabulary and self-confidence. And then, moreover, it was also found that students had positive perception of their interest and motivation in reading. This result is related to the previous research by Firawan et al. They found that English club can increase student motivation in learning English outside of regular classes. And then next, the findings show that the student had positive perception about their vocabulary skill increase after joining the English club. This is related with the statement of Mustafa and Indah 2023. They found that English club activities are able to increase the vocabulary of students who participate in English club. And then the last discussion, the finding from aspect of reading difficulties so that the student had positive perception of this aspect. Before joining the English club, student experienced several difficulties such as pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and sentence meaning. However, after joining the English club, students agree that this difficulty in reading could be overcome. This is related with the statement from Aina 2022 and 20, who found that English Club gives students the opportunity to learn more English in an informal environment. Students gain the same knowledge during the process of learning activities in English Club. Based on the interview result about the reading skill before and after joining English Club, there are changes in the English Club in the student reading comprehension skill between before and after joining the English Club. And then we come to the conclusion. Based on the data collected and analyzed from interview, it can be concluded that all students who have joined the English Club for 1 year have a positive perception of their reading comprehension skill after joining the English Club. The student reading comprehension skill improved after joining the English Club. Practicing reading after joining the English Club provides a comfortable atmosphere for students. Students feel more confident in reading practice after joining the English Club. Then, the student interest and motivation in reading increase after joining the English Club. And then the student vocabulary also increases after joining the English Club. And the last, student reading difficulties can be overcome and reduced after joining an English Club. And then we come to the suggestion. For the English teacher, teachers should pay more attention to this English group activity. Teachers are advised to manage this activity well by teaching and facilitating students to learn English in this English group, so that students can develop their English language skill. And then for the researcher, this research is also recommended to other researchers who will conduct research on this topic with different respondents to see student perception toward reading comprehension skill before and after joining English Club. And then for the students should take advantage of this English Club activity to improve their English skill. Learning English is not easy, so students should be more active in studying and practicing in English Club activity. Thank you. That's all from me about my thesis, and then I give back to the examiners.
Ya, terima kasih banyak, Vini. Now I would like to invite Miss Syafitri Ramadhani as the first examiner. Silakan, Miss Fitri.
All right, thank you, Miss Monique. Right, Vini, can you listen to my voice clearly, Vini?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, okay. Right. First of all, I would like to say congratulations for you. Okay, it's time for you to defend, yeah, your thesis, yeah, the result of your research. Okay. Finny, here you conducted the research about students' perception toward reading comprehension skills, yeah, before and after joining English Club. All right. Okay. Okay. There are two questions, right? You have for your research question. The first one. What is students' perception toward reading comprehension skills before joining English Club? And in the second one, what is students' perception toward reading comprehension skills after joining English Club? right? What instrument did you use to collect the data?
The instrument used to collect the data was interview, Miss.
Interview. Okay. Only interview?
Yes, Miss, only interview.
Only interview. Okay, let's see page 22. Ya, maksudnya agak sedikit acak ini ya. 22 about your instrumentation. You said that in conducting this research, researcher used the related instruments. How many instruments you used from the sentence? Yeah, it seems that you used more than one instruments. Okay, so that's why I asked you about this one. Why do you use only interview as your instrument of your research? Really?
Yes, Miss. Thank you,
Mhm.
Miss. I choose only interview because it is based on my research. My research question is to find out student perception toward reading comprehension skill before joining English group, and to find out student perception toward reading comprehension skill after joining the English group. So the approach the suitable instrument is interview, Miss, untuk mendapatkan data yang lebih mendalam tentang pendapat siswa, jadi digunakan interview, Miss.
Okay, what kind of interview is it?
Interview terstruktur, Miss.
Structure interview, yeah. Okay, so it means that you have interview guidelines, right? Okay. So ini be careful ya. Ini sebelumnya ada instruments. It seems that more than one instruments. Yeah. Okay. I found your interview guidelines in your appendix, right? Okay. Page 51. And then what about page 50? What is it? Page 50.
Yes, Miss.
Yep. What is it?
Maksudnya itu blueprint dari interview of reading comprehension skill, Miss.
All right, this is the blueprint of interview, yeah? Not questionnaire.
Ya, Miss.
Ya, ini di sini Vini bikin questionnaire. Nah, my question related to the instruments. Yeah, you have written instruments. It seems that more than one instrument, but now I want to make sure that you just only use one instrument, yeah, for collecting your research data. Am I correct? Ini,
Yes, Miss.
Vini. Ya, ya. Jadi di sini karena apa ya muncul pertanyaan sama Miss Fitri di instrumentationnya ada related instruments, okay? And then after that di dalam appendixnya ada blueprint questionnaire of self efficacy. Nah, tapi di bawah blueprint of interview. So here you said that you use Dennis theory. Ya, di manakah Dennis theory ini ada di dalam bab 2-nya?
Ada di bagian reading comprehension-nya, Miss.
Reading comprehension.
Di halaman 14, Miss.
Halaman berapa?
14, Miss.
14, okay. Alright. Ini Dennis ya, Dennis. Ya, tapi di sini sayangnya ada cited ya. Can you find the first source of this theory?
Yes, Miss.
Sudah ada ditemukan atau belum? Ini.
Gimana maksudnya, Miss?
Yang indikator yang pertama Dennis itu kan apa di sini cited in Gila, Jani, and Saburi, ya kan? Ini.
Iya, Miss.
Nah ini harusnya kan ini kan harusnya apa ya, first source sebaiknya ya ini. Apa sudah dicoba mencari first source-nya?
Sudah dicoba, Miss. Dia berupa buku gitu, Miss. Tapi nggak bisa di-download gitu, Miss.
Tidak bisa di-download, tapi ada yang
Iya,
Dennis
Miss.
ini.
Ada bukunya, Miss.
Oke, nah kalau ada bukunya dan Vini sudah dapat itu rasanya tidak masalah itu, enggak? Kenapa diambil dari Gila Jani itu kemarin?
Karena ini ini mendapatkannya itu dari Gilak Jani dan Soburi, Miss, bukan dari bukunya langsung gitu, Miss. Tapi dari jurnal Gilak Jani itu, Miss.
Oke, tapi Vini ketemu bukunya.
Ketemu, Miss, cuman tidak bisa di-download katanya, Miss.
Tidak terbuka ya berarti?
Iya, Miss, dikunci gitu, Miss.
Oke. Right. Ya. Kenapa teori ini yang diambil? Why do you take this theory as the apa namanya, the indicators for the interview?
Karena teori ini menurut ini sangat relevan dengan variabel penelitian ini, yaitu terkait reading comprehension skill, Miss. Jadi teori ini
Yes, go on.
ya, jadi menurut ini teori ini mampu menjawab research question-nya nantinya, Miss.
Okay. Next question for me. Are you sure that the student really know about their reading comprehension? Their reading ability, I mean, right? Do you know? Are you sure that they really know how far they are good at reading comprehension?
Iya, Miss, yakin karena mereka itu menjawabnya sambil seperti bercerita gitu, Miss. Menjelaskan contohnya juga misalnya, Miss.
Okay, since your title of your research here, to word reading comprehension skill before and after joining English club, yeah. So here, that is the perception, students' perception is only based on students' explanation, right, about their students' responses, yeah, from the interview you did to them. So you can conclude that students' perception toward reading comprehension skill before like this and after joining English class like this.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, that's my question. Wait a minute. Yeah. Sorry, wait. Yeah. Yes, I have a question like this. How can the students measure the improvement of their reading comprehension skill? Based on your theories, what you have taken. Yeah, Dennis theories. There are 6 indicators there. It means that the student can measure their reading comprehension skill, the improvement of their reading improvement of their reading comprehension skill. Are you sure about that, Penny?
Yes, Miss.
Would you please to make me understand? Yeah, how can it be?
Karena siswa mengatakan bahwa terdapat perubahan dalam keterampilan pemahaman membaca mereka sebelum dan setelah bergabung di English Club tuh, Miss. Sebelumnya keterampilan pemahaman membaca mereka itu katanya masih kurang, Miss, masih banyak kosakata yang tidak mereka ketahui. Mereka masih banyak kurang memahami teks-teks berbahasa Inggris. Tapi setelah bergabung di English Club, menurut mereka keterampilan pemahaman membaca mereka itu meningkat, Miss. Mereka tahu banyak kosakata baru, kemudian bagaimana pronounce-nya, kemudian bagaimana kemudian maksud dari suatu bacaan dari teks tersebut, mereka lebih memahaminya setelah bergabung di English Club tuh, Miss.
Okay, right. Here you said that in your page 18, right? In this school, there is reading activities, yeah, reading class, yeah, for English club. Yeah, commonly, we only know that the English club is just for speaking, right? For speaking activities, but here you said that it is there is reading class. And let's see your sentence here, your explanation, page 18. Yeah. In this English club, every week they carry out different English learning activities. Okay, so how many times reading class provides, how many times student can join reading class in English club for a semester? Is it a semester or gimana itu? Ini?
Kegiatan
Every week they carry out different English learning activities. How many activities are there?
Ada beberapa kegiatan, Miss. Mereka tuh kegiatannya random, Miss. Misalnya minggu ini mereka mempelajari tentang speech, kemudian minggu depan pembelajarannya itu beda lagi, Miss. Misalnya tentang pembelajaran tentang storytelling atau mungkin tentang pembelajaran reading, kegiatan membaca gitu, Miss. Nanti diberikan teks gitu.
Okay.
Kegiatannya random, Miss, tergantung tutornya minggu ini mau mempelajari skill apa gitu, Miss.
Okay, what activities do you know exactly they have got from English club? Speech, and then reading activities. What else?
English debate, Miss.
English debate. Okay, what else?
Kemudian grammar, about tenses gitu.
Okay.
Kemudian tentang
What
pronoun
about writing and speaking?
speaking
Okay,
itu
pronunciation.
ya, writing juga itu nanti mereka diminta untuk menuliskan sebuah teks atau apa gitu, Miss. Maju
Okay, ini kelas berapa?
kelas
Ini kelas berapa tuh?
kelas 10 dan kelas 11.
Umumnya yang 1 tahun. Iya, yang 1 tahun ini maksud ini kan alasannya proposal sampling itu adalah partisipan yang dipilih adalah partisipan yang sudah mengikuti ini selama 1 tahun gitu ya.
Ya, Miss.
Nah, umumnya mereka berasal dari kelas berapa?
Kalau sekarang masuk tahun ajaran baru itu mereka kelas 12 sekarang, Miss, umumnya.
Oh iya, berarti sebelumnya 11 ya?
Ya, Miss.
Yang 1 tahun ini maksudnya kelas 11.
Ya, Miss.
Oke. Apakah English Cup-nya dikaitkan materinya dengan materi materi di silabus?
Tidak, Miss.
Tidak. Tidak ya. Vini tahu tidak berapa kali reading activities-nya diberikan ke mereka selama 1 tahun itu?
Kalau jumlah totalnya kurang tahu berapa, Miss, tapi ada, Miss, kegiatan reading tuh di dalam 1 tahun tuh beberapa kali.
Okay, it's better to know ya the total meetings. Okay, for reading class ya, reading activities-nya. Jadi bisa benar-benar menyampaikan bahwa emang berubah ini. Karena in my opinion kalau interview saja ini dasarnya kurang kuat menurut Miss Fitri. Ya, kalau hanya interview, oke, ada teorinya, diambil dari segi ini gitu ya, ada 6 tadi. Oke, Vini. And then in your relevant research, you have explained 5 previous studies. And then you did not write. Yeah, I hope that I correct, yeah. You did not write the difference between your research and the previous research. Ini ada yang terakhir muslimah ya. Ini yang nyaris sama Anda, tapi bedanya ini dia experimental research. Am I correct?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So what is the difference of your research with Muslimah's research? Ya, ini.
Ya, Miss, perbedaannya itu ada di tujuan penelitiannya, Miss. Kalau muslimah itu,
Tujuan penelitian.
ya, muslimah itu tujuannya untuk menemukan keterampilan pemahaman membaca siswa antara siswa yang bergabung di English Club dengan siswa yang tidak bergabung, Miss. Untuk
Yang
mengetahui
kedua.
apa perbedaannya gitu, Miss. Kemudian muslimah ini menggunakan kuesioner dan tes dalam mengumpulkan datanya, Miss.
Oke. Berarti research design-nya berbeda. Instrumennya berbeda. Oke.
Iya,
Nah,
Miss.
apa lagi? Apalagi yang berbeda nih. Nah, kalau begitu ditulis ya, oh, Vini, di sini nggak ada nih. Relevant research itu di paragraf terakhirnya harus ada comparison ya.
Baik,
Your
Miss.
research and previous researches itu apa? Oke. Tidak, belum ada di sini. Oke, ini sekarang masalah-masalah teknis ya. Mulai dari chapter 1. Oke. Nah, ini yang Miss Fitri temukan ini terlalu banyak cited ya. Ini coba diusahakan mencari yang first source. According to Thornbury 2007, rasanya tahunnya masih tidak tidak lama-lama banget ya, kecuali ada tadi yang tahun 1980-an. Ya, in Rahayu Ningsih. Nih, cited in Rahayu Ningsih. Kenapa enggak yang pertama? Itu lebih bagus ya. And then after that, the use of but and so. Nah, ini it is not commonly used at the beginning ya of the sentence. Jadi pakailah yang lain. Kalau but apa setaranya? Ya, ini.
Miss.
Oke, ada juga yang paragraf 3, page 3 itu paragraf kedua. Karena ini idenya ada yang berbeda menurut Miss Fitri. Tadi English Club is an extracurricular activity which focuses on learning English which is expected to improve the achievement in English. Lalu di line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Line 7, English Club is also a place for students to have who have desire to join various English competition. Ini udah beda ide kan? Yeah. And after that, the use of capital letters, okay? Banyak juga Miss Fitri temukan ini. Halaman 5, itu observation kenapa O-nya besar ya. In the same year, nah, silahkan diperbaiki itu. And then ini di halaman 6. Ini masalah teknis saja ya. In this research, qualitative research was conducted for high school students whose schools have extracurricular English club activities, including arahkan ke reading kelasnya. Kan tidak semua English club yang di sekolah-sekolah ya menurut ini, tapi yang ada reading kelasnya. Makanya the research focuses on students' perception toward reading comprehension skills before and after joining the English club. Okay. For me, definition of the key terms, rasanya Miss Fitri sudah sampaikan waktu seminar proposal ya. It's still general for me. Ini perception, still general. English club, still general. Ya. Nah, kalau reading comprehension-nya arahkan ke English student at high school. Kalau yang perception-nya berarti perception terhadap apa? Ini masih umum, persepsi secara umum. Ya, English club-nya, English club di mana? Tidak disebutkan. Oke. Right. Contoh cited berikutnya di halaman 11 juga ada. Coba usahakan yang 2002, 2007. Cari yang benar-benar ini ya, lebih bagus. Lalu ini sudah quotation. Oke. Sarjaniah et al. Itu how many writers? How many experts? One or more than one?
Lebih dari satu, Miss.
Lebih. Iya, berarti subjeknya plural harus agree dengan verbnya yang
State.
plural juga. Nah, state-nya harusnya tanpa S, itu di halaman 12 juga begitu.
Baik,
Okay,
Miss.
Vini, if I'm not mistaken, I have ask you to arrange ya from the if the quotation about the same topic ya, definition of reading. Nah, ini urutannya harus yang paling kecil, yang paling lama tahunnya ke yang paling baru ya. Karena di sini nggak nyambung dia. Moreover, according to Gila, Jani, and Sagur, Sabaur, apa bacaan Sabauri ya, 2016. Sebelumnya udah ada cerita Sarjaniah 2022. Oke. Nah, ini nggak mungkin moreover. Vini ya. Ya, terbalik dia posisinya. Dan itu pernah disebutkan di research proposalnya. Vini. Oke, grammar-grammarnya perhatikan ya, tanggung jawabnya Vini. Ya, ini Fetriani et al. Ini ada di English Club, juga kembali kesalahannya sama. Nah, kalau tadi ada but, di page 14 itu ada so. Nah, pakailah yang setara dengan so ya, yang tepat. Oke, nah ini bentuk site yang berikutnya di halaman 16. Virgianti 2013, masih baru itu, kenapa cited ya? Oke. Yaitu teknisnya. Oke. Page 20, your conceptual framework. Okay, you write here conceptual framework or theoretical framework. Yang mana? Ini. Nah, kalau konsep be consistent, okay, to use. Ini mana nih theoretical frameworknya, itu ada di line ketiga. The conceptual framework is written to make it easier to understand the theoretical framework. Gimana maksudnya tuh? What do you mean? Ya, oke, and then beri figurnya, nama ya, figure 1, apakah ini aja satu? Oke, silakan. Okay. View now from your participant. After the selection process, nah ini pertanyaan ya, ini 10 students were selected who fulfilled the criteria. Dari kelas 11 itu hanya 10 orang yang memang sudah mengikuti English Club selama 1 tahun. Atau bagaimana?
Iya, Miss, dari totalnya sekitar 30, cuman 10 orang yang sudah ikut 1 tahun lebih, Miss.
Oke, dari kelas 11. 11-nya jumlahnya 30 orang.
Iya, Miss.
Oke, berarti hanya 1 kelas ya, untuk kelas 11 di sekolah ini ya. Dan 10 orang yang, berarti bisa ikut, bisa tidak ya ini ya, English Club ini?
Iya, Miss. Dia
di sekolahnya.
bisa memilih mau ikut atau enggak, Miss, atau tidak, Miss.
Oke, alright.
Bisa berdiri aja ya, tapi jangan ambil
Ya, itu yang oke, kita lihat lagi. Nah, ini Vini, hati-hati. Page 24. Ya, data display. Anda lihat line ke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Data obtained from interviews and questionnaire. Questionnaires have been compiled and organized according to research teams. Nah, gimana tuh sebenarnya kan? Makanya Miss Fitri bertanya dari tadi, instrumennya interview saja atau ada instrumen lain? Oke, lalu how can you the student major, itu pertanyaan Miss Fitri yang paling penting itu ya. How can the students measure their ability in reading comprehension before and after joining the English Club? Nah, you said that based on the students' responses, right? Oke, nanti let Miss Menik ya give some more questions for you. Nah, ini sebenarnya jadi awalnya ini dulu ada kuesionernya atau tidak, Vini? Gimana ceritanya nih?
Awalnya itu pas sempro itu menggunakan kuesioner juga, Miss, kuesioner dan interview. Tapi setelah sempro itu kuesionernya nggak jadi, Miss, cuman interview aja, Miss.
Oke, tidak jadi dengan alasan tidak tahu juga ya.
Ya, Miss, kemarin
Wait, kita lihat ya. Ini kita lihat dari discussion-nya. Well, from your discussion, is there any contrary theory? Ini apakah sejalan semua aja teori apa hasil penelitiannya dengan previous research atau ada yang berbeda?
sejalan, Miss.
Sejalan semua, tidak ada yang berbeda ya. Okay. Right, for your references, Vinny, make sure that all of the theories that you have quoted, put in your references. Kalau yang tidak, jangan ditaruh ya. Coba cek kembali. Apa sudah dicek betul-betul ini?
Sudah,
Alkaf di mana dipakainya? Alkaf. Alkaf ada di mana? Perception. Yes or no?
Karena harusnya lewat ke sini, ke kiri aku
Tuh, karena cited ya di Alkaf.
Baik ke kanan, soalnya sempit di sebelah kiri kan. Itu ya aku bilang jangan pakai.
Alright. Okay, Vinny. For the transcription, yeah, I want you to have the English version. Have you transcript this transcription, interview translation in English version?
Yes, Miss.
Oh, sudah ada ya?
Iya, Miss.
Nah, kalau sudah ada, berarti harusnya ditaruh di sini. Karena bahasa Indonesia semua tentu tidak mungkin ya. Miss Fitri dulu pakai transcription juga penelitiannya. Itu versinya bahasa Inggris ya. Nah, oke, lebih detail lagi daripada Anda nih. Karena yang diteliti adalah discourse marker ya. Nah, digunakan satu-satu. Oke. Lebih kecil maksudnya ya yang dilihatnya. Kalau Anda kan sentences ya, statement dari si students atau respondennya. Oke, ini I think it's enough, Miss Minik. Thank you.
Ya, terima kasih banyak Miss Fitri atas pertanyaan dan juga masukannya terhadap skripsinya Vini. Oke, jadi basically I agree to what Miss Fitris explained ya Vini ya. Jadi Miss nggak akan mengulangi, Miss nyambung aja. Mungkin ada beberapa poin yang belum sempat tersampaikan oleh Miss Fitri. Tapi karena ini kompre, dia harus beda sama sempro. Nggak mau dia sama-sama sempro. Kalau sempro itu kan kita lebih banyak ini ya, kasih masukan kan ya. Kalau di sini kita harus lebih banyak memberikan pertanyaan. Jadi pertanyaan Miss nggak banyak-banyak. Apa tuh tulisannya di sini nih? Nah, Miss juga tidak ingat Miss. I cannot remember suggestions yang diberikan kepada Vini dulu ketika pas sempro. Tapi tadi udah sempat ada Miss Fitri menyebutkan sedikit. Ini masuk pertanyaan ini aja. Jadi yang ingin Vini lihat itu adalah persepsi tentang reading comprehension skill sebelum dan sesudah bergabung ke English Club gitu ya.
Iya, Miss.
Nah, I don't know. Jadi yang harus dimaklumi sekarang adalah minggu ini itu kan minggu kompre, deadline kompre ya, Vini ya. Jadi jadwal kompre itu ya buktinya aja kita masih Zoom hari ini itu adalah satu bukti bahwa situasinya sedang darurat. Nah, jadi you are not the only students yang harus dikejarkan membaca skripsinya within few days saja. Nah, mungkin Miss ke skip. Jadi pertanyaan Miss yang pertama, I don't know, nggak ketemu sama Miss di sini. Pertanyaannya adalah kenapa yang Vini lihat itu adalah persepsi? Kan kalau misalnya kita menulis background itu, di background itu harus ada semacam gambaran yang merujuk kepada informasi bahwa ini penelitian penting untuk dilakukan. Nah, Vini kan membahas reading comprehension ya. Reading comprehension skill dikaitkan dengan si joining English Club. Nah, tapi dari si reading comprehension dan English Club ini yang Vini lihat adalah persepsinya. Kenapa persepsinya? Kenapa bukan misalnya efek reading comprehension setelah diberikan English Club atau enggak? Itu kan jatuhnya ke si eksperimen itu. Nah, kenapa bukan eksperimennya yang Vini lihat? Kenapa persepsinya?
Karena berdasarkan latar belakang berdasarkan permasalahan yang ditemukan, Miss, berangkat dari latar belakangnya terdapat beberapa tantangan dalam memahami bacaan bahasa Inggris, Miss. Jadi untuk itu Vini ingin mengetahui bagaimana pendapat siswa terhadap keterampilan pemahaman membaca mereka, Miss.
Iya, kenapa tantangan yang Vini lihat? Kalau misalnya permasalahannya adalah kalau misalnya permasalahannya adalah ada tantangan di kemampuan membacanya, kenapa persepsinya dulu yang kita lihat? Why? Kenapa tidak langsung aja Vini kasih treatment? Ini kan udah jelas nih ada tantangan nih. Ada masalah loh dengan readingnya. Udah kasih aja treatment. 4 kali pertemuan disuruh English Club. Naik nggak nilainya? Kenapa bukan itu? Nah, jadi bisa disimpulkan ya kalau seandainya means I did not skip the information but I cannot find that in your background. Jadi itu yang harus mungkin sedikit ditambahkan. Kan Vini udah sayang ini udah panjang-panjang ceritanya. Tapi kenapa sih persepsi ini yang kita lihat itu nggak ketemu dia. Jadi ibaratnya orang mau jualan kan Vini ya. Kan nggak mungkin tuh. Mau jualan habis itu langsung dijual aja. Mesti ada riset marketnya dulu. Jadi persepsi itu kan kajian awal sebelum kita mengambil langkah selanjutnya. Kalau ternyata negatif loh persepsi orang-orang tentang A, berarti nggak bisa kita kasih A. Nah, jadi mungkin itu yang harus ada satu di dalam bagian backgroundnya. Nah, dan ini nggak panjang di backgroundnya ya. Oke, selanjutnya tadi Miss Fitri udah bahas tentang kayak mana ya cara melihat itunya. Oke, ini dulu deh. Ini udah ditanyakan Miss Fitri tadi, nggak usah lah. Oke, nah ini positive perception dan negative perception. Jadi target jawabannya adalah kalau seandainya Miss tanyakan, Vini jawabannya adalah positif atau negatif. Nah, sekarang coba Vini jelaskan. Kapan persepsi akan positif?
Baik, Miss.
Mhm.
Persepsi ketika dikatakan positif apabila siswa itu
Mhm.
setuju dan mendukung tentang objek yang dipersepsikan, Miss. Statement yang mereka katakan itu bersifat positif, Miss.
Bersifat apa?
Positif, Miss. Mendukung objek yang dipersepsikan, Miss.
Mendukung objek yang dipersepsikan. Nah, jadi kalau misalnya kita lihat, Miss skip dulu ke sini ya. Nah, pertanyaannya tadi ada di sini. Nih, ini how are your reading comprehension skill before joining the English club? Apa jawabannya? Apa jawabannya ini?
Masih kurang, Miss.
Masih kurang. Oke. Kalau yang ini jawabannya?
Sudah lebih baik, Miss.
Nah, bagian mana yang mensupportnya itu? Sehingga Vini mengatakan bahwa hasilnya positif. Sementara tadi definisi dari si positif itu, dia positif jika dia mensupport. Bagian mana dari statementnya yang mensupport itu? Oke, nah ini kan judulnya chapter 2 ini review of literature ya. Sebenarnya kan review of related literature. Artinya kajian teori terkait dengan apa? Terkait dengan variabel dalam penelitian Vini. Yang paling berat di penelitian Vini ini adalah karena target jawaban Vini adalah positif dan negatif, harusnya yang panjang itu yang ini loh Vini. Types of perception ini. Karena ini kan kunci jawabannya ini. Makanya tadi kalau jawaban Vini ini kan positif itu kalau dia mensupport. Sementara tadi pertanyaannya bagaimana sekarang nilai readingnya bagus? Apakah itu mensupport? Apa yang disupportnya?
Hasilnya, Miss.
Jadi hasil yang mana? Jadi positif yang ini sama yang ini tuh harus sebenarnya detail. Sehingga pokoknya Vini, kenapa Vini katakan dia negatif? Katakan gitu ya. Karena dia memenuhi syarat negatif. Apa syarat negatif? Banyak harusnya di sini. Tapi ini nggak sampai satu halaman loh Vini untuk ininya. Dan tidak mungkin rasanya menurut Miss si orang berdua ini aja nih. Ini kan si Irwanto tapi di Afza yang mengatakan persepsi itu ada positif negatif. Ini pasti banyak yang mengatakan yang lainnya dengan ciri-cirinya. Bisa jadi positif itu kalau seandainya dia punya argumen yang makna atau konotasi kalimatnya itu kalau diterjemahkan baik gitu. Ya, jadi ini yang harus ditambahkan. Alright. Selanjutnya berarti satu si persepsi ini, satu lagi apa itu? Reading comprehension. Nah, reading comprehension skill. Yang mana yang reading comprehension skill itu, Vini? Dia ada satu reading ability, yang ini Vini ngambil bukan reading ability, tapi yang Vini pakai adalah reading comprehension skill. Belum mateng pisangnya. Oke, yang mana itu reading comprehension skill? Menurut Vini.
Reading comprehension skill itu proses memahami makna yang terdapat di dalam suatu bacaan, Miss.
Ya, oke. Misalnya gini, kalau Miss ingin menguji atau mentes reading comprehension skill-nya Vini, apa yang harus Miss berikan?
Berikan pertanyaan terkait makna dari teks tersebut.
Nah, misalnya ada teksnya, terus Miss kasih maknanya ya. Oke. Nah, jadi makanya tadi ada pertanyaannya Miss Fitri, apa namanya? Kayak mana dia mengetahui skill dia sebelum dan sesudahnya? Kita Cenar Vini yang ini. Jadi Miss fokusnya lebih banyak di sini sebenarnya. Nah, pertanyaan Vini yang ini interview ya. Yang ini loh. Interview ini adalah complexity of the reading text, environmental anxiety, sampai si reading difficulties ini. Apakah 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ini mengukur reading comprehension? Kan yang kita tanyakan kemampuan reading comprehensionnya sebelum dan sesudah kan ya. Apakah yang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ini mengukur reading comprehension?
Iya, Miss.
Nah, iya. Iya. Nah, misalnya kayak mana Miss mengetahui anxiety during reading comprehension ini? Apakah bisa nilai readingnya bagus atau tidak bagus, tapi soalnya kayak mana soal yang anxiety during reading comprehension ini? Kayak mana cara mengukurnya? Apa tes yang harus Miss berikan untuk mengukur yang itu? Oke, nah kenapa Vini bingung jadinya Vini karena itu yang di chapter 2 itu bukan yang dalamnya itu justru bukan si apa si variabelnya ini. Ini kan variabel Vini juga kan? Reading comprehension skill ya. Coba yang Vini jadikan itu adalah yang 6 itu factors that influence reading comprehension, bukan reading comprehension skill. Yang Vini tanyakan itu adalah faktor yang mempengaruhi kemampuan skill reading seseorang. Sementara yang kita ingin tanyakan bukan itu. Yang kita ingin tanyakan adalah bagaimana kemampuan reading kamu sebelum dan sesudah. Nah, reading comprehension itu macam-macam Vini. Kalau seandainya Vini ingin menguji kayak anak mahasiswa yang Mesuji nih, tes reading comprehension itu adalah vocabulary, making inferences, problem solving atau close reading. Jadi nanti pertanyaannya itu adalah gimana dengan vocabulary-nya sebelum atau sesudah? Gimana dengan making inferences atau making conclusion-nya? Gimana dengan close reading-nya? Itu yang akan ditanyakan. Tapi kalau Vini tanya yang ini enggak factors that influences reading comprehension skill. Kalau yang ini yang Vini tanyakan, maka pertanyaannya adalah kamu punya masalah dengan reading? Iya. Apa penyebabnya? Ini yang akan kita tanyakan ini. Jadi sebenarnya gini, kalau seandainya skill itu kan bagusnya diukur ya, terukur dalam artian ada perubahan secara katakanlah nilai sebelum dan nilai sesudah. Untuk mendapatkan nilai sebelum dan nilai sesudah tuh tesnya adalah reading comprehension, bukan tes faktor. Bisa dipahami nggak? Nah, jadi harusnya chapter 2-nya Vinia reading comprehension skill ini banyak ini. Misalnya reading comprehension menurut si A adalah kemampuan mendekode. Jadi tesnya adalah decoding. Bisa nggak dia, kalau anak-anak kecil, bisa nggak dia baca kata itu, phonemic awareness istilahnya. Nah, kalau levelnya udah anak sekolah, mungkin yang dicari adalah mencari main idea, mencari supporting details, itu yang ditanyakan. Dulu sebelum ikut English Club, bisa nggak nyari main idea? Sekarang setelah ikut English Club, udah pintar belum nyari main idea? Nah, baru kelihatan itu. Dia bisa Vini, walaupun sebenarnya skill itu harusnya ada angkanya tuh. Tapi boleh kok kita rasakan. Kan kita bisa tuh rasanya nak Miss setelah saya ikut di jurusan bahasa Inggris ini 1 tahun dulu waktu awal-awal saya nggak bisa ngomong Miss. Sekarang saya bisa ngomong kan bisa itu. Bisa aja itu ditanyakan. Tapi pertanyaannya gitu loh. Pertanyaannya itu yang menurut Miss kurang pas dengan si apa namanya? Si ini gitu loh. Pertanyaannya. Nah, makanya tadi agak sulit menyimpulkan dia positif atau negatif. Jadi bisa aja kalau misalnya Vini tanyakan yang kayak tadi itu, bisa aja di positifnya positif itu kalau seandainya dia yakin ada peningkatan. Nah, gitu. Jadi positif persepsi itu dia yakin kalau ada peningkatan. Ah, Vini tanyalah, kemampuan udah bisa belum mencari kesimpulan dari sebuah teks? Kalau sebelumnya nggak bisa, kalau sesudahnya bisa. Kan ada peningkatan itu, berarti positif persepsinya. Bisa ya Vini ya, dipahami maksudnya ya. Nah, jadi apa namanya sebenarnya tolak ukurnya itu aja itu yang harus kita apa namanya perbaiki atau harus kita arahkan. Jadi bisa nanti cocok dengan research questionnya Vini itu ke pertanyaan penelitiannya. Nah, berarti yang harus diperbaiki yang pertama itu adalah si chapter 2-nya di bagian yang apa itu? Di bagian yang mana namanya? Yang tadi itu. Baru nanti kita bisa pindah ke chapter 3. Ya kan ya? Nih, kayak mana kita mau menanyakan environmental influences ini, Lovin. Right? Oke, mana lagi tuh ya pertanyaan Miss ya? Oke, yang English Club tuh tadi udah ditanyain sama Miss Fitri ya. Chapter 3-nya mana sih kok kelompat terus? Oh, ini chapter 4 ya. Hey. Nah, ya di sini apalagi Vini menggunakan kualitatif, kan ya kualitatif ini capek mengerjakan interview script itu berdarah-darah kita mengerjakannya itu. Tapi sayang sekali kalau seandainya nih, jadi makanya are this to check reading comprehension, how did you get this? Nah, makanya Miss tanyakan ini, kok ini ya yang jadi apanya dasar dasar referensinya gitu. Oke, and then, nah ada satu hal yang tinggal. Gini, sebenarnya kalau kita di penelitian kualitatif itu ada satu yang namanya data triangulation. Jadi yang udah kita tulis itu, biar interpretasinya tidak subjektif, kita periksakan dulu ke ahlinya. Kan Vini udah diskusi nih sama pembimbingnya. Nah, untuk anak level 1 nggak apa-apa itu, tapi mungkin harus ada dijelaskan di sini. Oke. Nah, jadi Vini udah bagikan student perceptions of complexity of reading text sama before ini. Nah, ini kan ada dikatakannya nih. My reading comprehension skill before joining the English club was still lacking, but after joining it have improved. Kita bisa katakan ini positif karena dia improve. Tapi ternyata dengan satu pertanyaan aja udah dapat sama kita tuh reading comprehension skill-nya. Kan ini aja ini kan? Gimana? Kan yang ditanyakan reading comprehension skill-nya.
Iya, Miss.
Nah, harusnya bukan ini dia munculnya. Jadi ini kepala utamanya itu yang harus ada pecahan-pecahannya. Oke, nah jadi apa temuan Vini apa tadi Vini? Apa temuannya Vini? What is the temuan? What is your finding?
Temuannya, Miss, terdapat perubahan antara keterampilan membaca siswa keterampilan pemahaman membaca siswa sebelum dan setelah bergabung di English Club, Miss. Kalau
Oke, research question-nya apa?
research question-nya, what are the student perception toward reading comprehension
Nah.
skill before and after, Miss?
Nah, kalau seandainya itu tadi jawabannya menjawab pertanyaan penelitian enggak? Pertanyaan penelitiannya adalah what are the perceptions ya before and after. Jawabannya cuma 2 itu, Vin. Dia positif atau negatif. Kalau misalnya jawabannya adalah terdapat perubahan, itu biasanya jawaban untuk jenis penelitian eksperimen. Sementara target jawaban kita, dari katanya, Vini bikin skripsi ya? Iya, jawabannya apa, Vini? Ternyata positif loh. Persepsinya itu aja itu jawabannya.
Ya,
Ya.
Miss. Ada juga dijelaskan bahwa positif, Miss.
Ya, oke. Udah ya, Vini memang menyebutkan kok, Miss baca di chapter 4 itu ada kok statement menyatakan positif dia. Nah, sekarang kesimpulannya apa? Ayo bikin apa? Ya, kesimpulannya apa, Vin?
Kesimpulannya, Miss, bahwa
Ya.
siswa yang bergabung di English Club selama 1 tahun memiliki persepsi positif terhadap keterampilan pemahaman membaca mereka setelah bergabung di English Club.
Apa bedanya dengan finding?
Findingnya itu temuan penelitiannya, Miss.
Ya, temuan penelitiannya positif kan?
Ya, Miss.
Yang positif itu adalah siswa yang setelah bergabung selama 1 tahun kan?
Ya, Miss.
Nah, kesimpulannya itu juga. Vini merasakan nggak sama antara temuan sama kesimpulan Vini? Mirip lah gitu, mirip.
Iya,
Oke,
Miss.
sama mirip kan? Nah, jadi kalau dia mirip berarti kita ada sedikit misunderstood ketika memahami kesimpulan. Kesimpulan itu bukan rangkuman ya. Rangkuman itu adalah versi pendek dari apa yang sudah kita temukan, boleh. Ya, apa yang sudah kita temukan atau apa yang sudah kita cari-cari, boleh itu rangkumannya. Tapi kesimpulan itu adalah perpanjangan dari temuan. Nah, jadi Miss nggak tahu tuh kesimpulan penelitian Vini apa kan, karena ini kan adalah penelitian Vini. Tapi menarik kesimpulan itu kayak gini, kita membaca tanda-tandanya adalah temuannya. Nah, apa kesimpulannya? Nah, Miss kasih contoh analogi lah. Kalau seandainya sekarang Miss keluar ini contoh udah dari zaman bahala selalu ini. Kalau misalnya sekarang Miss keluar ini, angin kencang, langit gelap, suhu dingin, apa kesimpulannya? Apa kesimpulannya? Ayo, misal Miss
Oh,
keluar rumah nih sekarang ya. Miss
ya,
lihat
Miss.
langit, weh gelap langit. Weh cuaca dingin. Weh angin kencang. Apa kesimpulannya?
Mau hujan?
Ah, itu kesimpulan kan?
Ya, Miss.
Jadi kita membaca tanda-tanda, dapatlah kita sebuah kesimpulan. Ah, jadi apa tanda-tanda yang Vini baca dari penelitian Vini? Ah, maka Vini harus tuliskan. Habis nggak tahu itu, makanya dia taruhnya di chapter 5 itu paling ujung. Karena itu adalah hasil dari apalah ini sebenarnya maksudnya ya. Apalah yang bisa saya simpulkan dari sini ya. Nah, oke, jadi kurang lebih begitu ya. Kayak gitu kira-kira cara penarikan kesimpulannya. Contohnya sederhana sekali itu. Oke, I think that's all from me. Sekarang Miss mengundang Miss Ririn. Silakan Miss Ririn.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Mei. Can you hear me? Alright. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I'm using a cell phone because karena buru-buru, charger laptopnya ketinggalan. Ya. Alright. So I would like to say congratulations ini, you did a great job. Sudah selesai sampai di sini. Tinggal dibanyak-banyakin doanya ya. Mudah-mudahan hasilnya sesuai dengan apa yang diharapkan. Tapi I just have one question sebenarnya, sama dengan Miss Fitri. After you did your research, I just found out that you only use instrumentnya interview ya. At the beginning, you wanted to use questionnaire as well. Nah, itu kenapa ini? Itu aja pertanyaannya. Sebenarnya kan lebih bagus rasanya kalau ada questionnaire-nya. Sama dengan pertanyaan Miss Fitri tadi.
Baik, Miss. Pada awalnya kan Vini menggunakan kuesioner, Miss. Tapi pas seminar proposal itu kata Miss, kata salah satu dosen pengujinya itu lebih baik menggunakan interview karena penelitian Vini itu nanti penelitian kualitatif, Miss. Jadi lebih tepatnya itu interview katanya.
Gitu. Alright. Oke, itu saja sih pertanyaan dari Miss. Sekarang ini banyak-banyakin berdoa ya. Hopefully the result, banyak-banyak zikir ya waktu disuruh keluar nanti. Mudah-mudahan hasilnya sesuai dengan apa yang diharapkan. Okay, I think that's all with me. Thank you. Back to you.
Baik, Miss.
Terima kasih banyak Miss Ririn. Nah, sekarang sesi terakhir ya. Ini dipersilahkan dulu untuk meninggalkan Zoom-nya, di stop dulu recording-nya. Stop dulu recording-nya, nanti ganti dulu host-nya. Dan silahkan Vini keluar dari Zoom ini, nanti dipanggil lagi sama Miss Ririn.
Baik, Miss. Ini ganti hostnya dulu ya, Miss.
Yep.
Baik, Miss. Ini izin keluar, Miss.
Oke.